Ndewo. Welcome back to Igbo Teacher and Games YouTube channel. Today we are going to be teaching a very interesting topic, which is homographs in Igbo language. Homograph simply means words that has the same spelling but different meaning and pronunciation. It can also have the same pronunciation, but the meaning will differ. In Igbo, anyị sị na ọ bụ okwu ndị nwere otu nsupe mana mpụtara ha na mkpọpụta ha dị iche. Nsupe means spelling. Mkpọpụta means pronunciation, while mpụtara means meaning. Let's get started. Today we are going to be focusing on only the 3 Igbo letter words that has the same spelling but different pronunciation and different meanings. Let's get started. The first word we have here is apple. Apple. Apple means palm fruit. Palm fruit. And it has the same spelling with apple. Apple. Apple means nest. Nest. The second word is eze. Eze. Eze means teeth. Teeth. And it has the same spelling with eze. Eze. That is a king. The third word is isi. Isi. Isi means head. Head. And this particular spelling has 4 homographs, which means that there are words, 4 words that are spelled as ECE, but the pronunciation are different. So the second one in the list is easy. Easy. That is blindness. Someone that cannot see. Blindness or blind. The third in the list of ECE is easy. Easy. You can see our chef cooking in the kitchen. Then the last in the list is easy. Perceiving smell. Easy. Easy. So if you look at the 4 words, you will see that all are pronounced differently and all has different meaning, but the spelling are the same. The next word is ire. Ire. That is tongue. Tongue. Its homograph is ire. Ire, to sell. To sell. The third in the list is ire. Ire. When you say that something is ire, it means that something is, that thing is real. Real. Ire. Ordinary. It is real. The next word in the list is okay. Okay. Okay means rats. Rats. Its homograph is Okay. Okay. Okay is boundary. If you have boundary with someone, you say that ihe a bụ oke m, oke ala, or okay anything, but it means boundary. Still under okay, we also have okay. Okay. Okay means male. Male. Male of anything, you refer it as okay. Okay no. Okay ewu. Okay atụrụ, etc. Then the next word in the list is ọkụ. Ọkụ, that is fire. We all know what fire is. Its homograph is ọkụ. Ọkụ. Ọkụ means earthen pot. Another word we have here is eke. Eke. Eke means python. Python. Its homograph is eke. Eke is Igbo market day. Igbo market day. Can say that today is Eke. Tata bụ Eke. It doesn't have English name. Eke is Eke. That is Igbo market day. In another homograph under the same aka is Eke. Eke.
Gizzard. Gizzard is found in a fowl.
The next word is enyi. Enyi means my friend or friend. Enyi, friend. Its homograph is enyi. Enyi. Enyi means elephant. Elephant. Another word is obi. Obi has two meanings. Obi can be someone's name, a male name. It can also be a central building in a house, mostly for reception of visitors. Then its third homograph is Obi. Obi. Obi is heart. Heart. Another word is uku. Uku is bundle of something. Bundle. You can say ukunko, bundle of firewood. Its homograph is uku. Uku, that is west. You're not seeing it, but it is a west. Then still on uku. The third homograph in the list is uku. Uku. Uku can mean big or great. Another word is ike. Ike. Ike means strength. Strength. Ike is also a male given name. People answer Ike as name. Then it also means another homograph under it is Ike. Ike, that is buttock. Buttocks. Okay, another word is awa. Awa. This one is simple because the three homographs under it has the same pronunciation, the same spelling, but different meaning. So Listen attentively. Agwa means beans. Agwa means color. Color. Agwa also means character. Character. So depending on how you want to use it, just know the meaning, but the pronunciation remains the same. Another word is aga. Aga is neighbor. Neighbor. Its homograph is aga. Aga. Aga means barren. Barren. Then you can also say aga. Aga. That is going. Another word is nku. Nku. Nku means firewood. Nku can also mean dryness. Dryness. If something is dry, you can say okporo nku. Then another word in the list is ugwu. Ugwu, that is hell. Hell. Its homograph is ugwu. Ugwu, that is respect. Respect. Then the third homograph in the list is ugwu. Ugwu, that is circumcision. Circumcision. The final word you have is ube. Ube. Ube means arrow. Arrow. Its homograph is ube. Ube. Ube simply means pears. Pears. If you are still watching till now, it simply means that you are enjoying the teaching and you are enjoying this beautiful face. Please kindly do me the favor of subscribing to this channel and turning on the notification bell so that once I drop any new video, you will be the first to get the notification. Also like, comment, and share to your family and friends, especially those in abroad. I am still your favorite Igbo teacher, Ezenekwe Angela Ntemaka. Ka emesịa ka ọ dị oge ọzọ. Bye. Bye.